One junior civil judge cum judicial magistrate of first class court is functioning at Medpalli. One of junior civil judge cum judicial magistrate of first class court is functioning at Korat, is functioning at Dharmapuri town, which was recently inaugurated by retired Justice Sri Challa Kodandaramu Garu. Trial and disposal of rape and POCSO Act cases at Jagtial is inaugurated by the Honorable Sri Justice P. Naveen Rao Garu, Judge, High Court of the State of Telangana. Thanks to Sri Justice P. Naveen Rao Garu, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana for his endeavor efforts in establishing the fast track special sessions court for expeditious trial and disposal of rape and POCSO Act cases at Jagtial on this auspicious occasion, Telangana and Administrative Judge of Karimnagar District on this auspicious occasion, Milord. The existing library building is a great boon out of the endeavor efforts of Sri Kasuganti Lakshman Kumar Vakil Garu, an advocate, fraternity member of the Bar Council of the State of Telangana, got elected to Jagtial district jurisdiction and public in general to get the justice at their doorsteps expeditiously with least cost below. The Bar Association Jagtial is thankful to Honorable Chief Justice of High Court for the State of Telangana, Honorable Justice Sri Shabim Akhtar, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana and Administrative Judge of Karimnagar, as well as who was native of our Jagtial district, other than the Honorable Justice P. Naveen Rao Garu, Judge, High Court for the State of Telangana, Milord. As already on this auspicious occasion and gathering, Milord.
Lordship, I am accepting the memorandum.
Now I request Sri K. Lakshman Kumar Garu, Member Bar Council of Telangana. Now it's time to inaugurate the POCSO court and also Bar Association building.
Srimati M.G. Priyadarshini, Principal District Session Judge, Karimnagar. Today's Chief Guest, Honorable Sri Justice Punguti Naveen Rao Garu, Judge, High Court of State of Telangana. Honorable Dr. Justice Shabim Akhtar Garu, Judge, High Court of State of Telangana. And this building has commenced when I visited the Jagtial Bar Association, the then President Rajkonda Sri Ramlu has asked me to contribute 1 lakh rupees, sir, for the construction of the building. Then again next visit when I came, he said, your family has contributed 32 acres in the town for hospital, so many. All your brothers contribute 1 lakh. Then I agreed to it, sir, in a good atmosphere. We are simple living family, sir, Kasketti family. And when we have asked to contribute 1 lakh, our brothers thought, why not we construct the total building, sir? It has come into like that, it has gone to 1 crore 20 lakhs, sir. We love advocate community because Kasketti Lakshminaswara was an advocate, and for that we wanted to do some. This is the Bar Association building, sir. I informed them they have to maintain the building. It is their building, sir. But definitely we will help them, sir. Whatever is needed, time to come, as long as we are alive. And coming to the Bar Council activities, the Bar Council, the young advocates have become members of the Bar Council Welfare Fund, where you can get benefits. Any financial assistance you can apply. The Bar Council is with you, but there should be no disciplinary complaints against you. because that will be, action will be taken against you, because it's a small state. There are so many committees which are formed. You have to respect the court, you have to maintain the decorum of the court, and we are part of judiciary, we have to cooperate to dispose the cases. I thank all the advocates for giving me opportunity to serve you. I thank the respected collector for being present among the advocates. Thank you, sir. Thank you and all. Once again,
a very good morning to all of you. We are privileged to have the inauguration of the Fast Track Special Court for Expeditious Trial and Disposal of Rape and POCSO Act cases at Jagitial being inaugurated today virtually along with the Bar Association building. We are very much thankful to the Government of Telangana as well as Honorable Justice who have been kind enough to grace this function virtually. And special thanks to Sri Lakshman Kumar Garu and his family for constructing a building worth 1.2 crores and giving it to the Bar Association. With this court, the litigant people of Jagitiala district would be benefited since the rape and POCSO cases would be disposed as expeditiously as possible. So all the litigant people would be making use of this. Thank you very much for this, sir. Telangana as well as special request and instructions of Honorable Justice Naveen Rao Garu. We have identified the land and we have requested the government for giving permission for the advance position of the same, and we will be handing over the advance position as expeditiously as possible, sir. And thank you for inviting me to this function and also making me involved in this function. Thank you.
Very good morning to all and all. I congratulate all stakeholders, particularly government family, who donated huge amount and constructed this beautiful building. I would like to say a few words in relation to POCSO Act. This POCSO Act is enacted for efficient dealing the heinous crimes of sexual abuse and sexual exploitation of children. It's a comprehensive legislation. It provides protection to children from the offences of sexual assault, sexual harassment, and pornography. It safeguards the interests of the child victim at every stage of the legal process by incorporating child-friendly mechanisms for reporting, investigation, recording of evidence, and pre-trial of offences through special courts. The fundamental principles to be followed in determining of the case involving a sexual offence against the child are laid under this Act. The Child Welfare Committee, the police, special force, all other government functionaries, as well as non-government organizations and experts assist the child at the trial and pre-trial stages. The Act itself is gender neutral legislation. It defines the child as an individual below 18 years of age and provides protection to all children from sexual abuse. Consequently, who have been doing so many good things for the welfare of the advocate, I wish and believe the same family will continue to do so. I also thank the dignitaries for present here, media, press, electronic, who made this program a grand success. I believe that the advocates will raise to the occasion. So also the judicial officers working in the unit also raise to the occasion and see to it that the engagement objects of the POCSO Act are fulfilled in this letter and state. I thank the Honorable Court, Honorable Justice Naveen Rao Garu,
Your Lordship for thoughtful message and also enlightening us on the important aspects of
last and the most important thing is the action one and by part one. In this is person who begins to be part of this important event and also in honor my kind witness of that is impacted in asking me to inaugurate the POCSO Court as and your knowledge of the Jagtial Council, I know there are many, many more communities who are flourishing. And I think much better.
Your Lordship, for your valuable message and timely guidance, suggestions, and also being the backbone for establishment of POCSO courts and infrastructure. With this, we will conclude the program with vote of thanks by Shri G. Sudarshan Garu, Second Additional District and Session Judge, who has been placed in charge for the POCSO court. Sudarshan Garu.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. To all the dignitaries on this August occasion on behalf of Karimnagar District Unit, my lord, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed today's chief guest, your lordship, Honorable Justice Sri P. Navin Rao Garu, Judge High Court for the State of Telangana, your lordship, for having taken time of your many responsibilities to join us here today and to share this occasion with us, and indeed for having inaugurated POCSO court at Jagtial and valuable thoughts sharing with us on this occasion. We are deeply grateful to your lordship, Honorable Justice Dr. Shemi Maktur Garu, Judge High Court for the State of Telangana and Administrative Judge of Karimnagar District, for gracing this occasion with your lordship esteemed august presence and enlightening the. I also express my thanks to Sri C.H. Rupesh, Additional Superintendent of Police, Jagtial, and police officials for extending their cooperation for security arrangements. On behalf of Karimnagar District Unit and Bar Association of Jagtial, I convey our gratitude and heartfelt thanks to Sri D. Ramakant Garu, Registrar IT, CPC, for his cooperation and for the web links provided for this inaugural function. Lastly, my thanks are due to my colleague officers and staff of e-courts, court staff who have worked with great dedication to make this program a success. I also express my thanks to print and electronic media for covering this program. Once again, I thank my lord and also to all the participants. Thank you, my lord.
Vinayaka Jaya He